The first asset in the list is Inferno World, free low-poly 3D models by iHappy Studio. This free low-poly pack gives you everything you need to craft fiery fantasy landscapes. With several mountains, platforms, rocks, buildings, statues, and other decorative assets, you can quickly design stunning levels while keeping performance smooth for mobile and indie games. The next asset is MMA Arena by MARPA Studio. This MMA Arena environment is a high-quality, ready-to-use scene designed for sports-themed projects in Unity. It is ideal for games, cinematic scenes, VR experiences, or simulations. The next asset is Demo City by Versatile Studio, a small part of the Night City for your project, mostly suitable for racing games, but can also be used in projects of other genres. This package contains a ready-to-use scene with a small part of the Night City with a long highway. All lighting is placed, configured, and baked. Lighting, reflections, and materials are designed to emulate wet weather. The next asset is 3D Sci-Fi Starter Kit by Creepy Cat. This kit covers interior-only construction, giving you full control over every room, corridor, wall, and indoor structure for mobile. This starter kit includes modular corridors, futuristic props, and environment pieces, perfect for building space stations and high-tech interiors. The next asset is Coffee Shop Environment by Laerte Studios. This package provides realistic, high-quality coffee shop environment. You will get a perfectly designed example scenes inside the pack, which you can use to create scene with it or populate your scenes with its meshes. The next asset in the list is Unity Warehouse by Unity Technologies Japan. This package contains a photorealistic demo that can be used as a base platform for digital twinning and simulation of a logistics warehouse. In this package, you will find shelves, cargo, transport equipment, and workers. All assets are original, and the user is free to change the layout or create new scenes using the existing assets. The Dungeon Modular Pack by Logical Beat. This package contains various types of prefab assets with customizable walls, floors, and props, perfect for RPGs and adventure games. The next one is Apocalypse Playground Environment by Haiku Studios. This pack features a fully enclosed playground scene drenched in eerie mood and forgotten innocence. Every element, from the rusted swing sets and cracked concrete to the toppled benches and scattered debris, tells a story of a world long lost, perfect for survival horror or environmental storytelling. The next asset is Sci-Fi Construction Kit by Sickhead Games. This package is fully modular and provides detailed science fiction warehouse construction kit. This modular kit gives you flexible pieces to create everything from small interiors to massive futuristic structures, ideal for creative world building. The next asset is Unity Factory by Unity Technologies Japan. This demo pack is a virtual production factory scene consisting of the elements of a production factory: conveyor belts, goods, robotic arms, and workers. All assets are original, and the user is free to change the layout or create new scenes using the existing assets. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.